Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a topic called frequency reuse. So first question comes in our mind, what is frequency reuse and why and where it is used? The design process of selecting and allocating channel groups for all of the cellular base stations is called frequency reuse or frequency planning. May I know how distance between two cells are calculated? The distance between two cells can be calculated with the help of mathematical expression, that is, d is equals to r root of 3n, where d is reuse distance, r is the cell radius, n is the number of cell per cluster. Okay, but why it is used? In the wireless network communication, to increase the network capacity and to provide the channel to multiple users, the frequency reuse scheme is used. Will you please elaborate in details? There are several techniques to expand an already existing network or to add more capacity to a network being built. Let's discuss two of them techniques, which are cell splitting and sectorization. Cell splitting, reducing the size of cell of a cellular system, keeps the SIR constant but the result in an expansion of a network capacity because the smaller cell cover less area and therefore more cells would be required to cover the whole region, which directly reflects on the network capacity. Cell sectoring. The cell sectoring techniques increase the capacity via different strategy. In this method, a cell has the same coverage space, but instead of using a single omnidirectional antenna that transmits in all directions, either 3 or 6 directional antennas are used such that each of these antenna provides coverage to a sector of the hexagon. Where 3-directional antenna are used, 120-degree sectoring is achieved. Each antenna covers 120 degree. And when 6 directional antennas are used, 60-degree sectoring is achieved. Each antenna covers 60 degree. So that is frequency reuse technique, which is used to increase system capacity and coverage area. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.